To create a Facebook page, log into your Facebook account and go to Pages from the navigation bar. From here, click on Create New Profile or Page from the left menu and click on Public Page as we create a page public. Then next, and then click on Get Started. Input your Facebook page name. The page name is Keep Learning, and here select your page category. You can input three categories here. So my category will be digital marketing or social media marketing related or technology science. So for input your category here, you can upload three categories here. So I input four, so I need to delete one category. So yes, so I fixed my three categories here. We can change it later. So let's input bio. Now the bio is optional. We can upload bio or any settings next. So don't worry about it. So let me upload my bio as of now. I will change it later. You can use ChatGPT to generate a bio. This will be more helpful and faster. Now click on create page. I don't have any website right now. I don't want to input any address here. Keep next. I don't have any profile picture, cover photo right now. So I'll click next. I don't want to input any phone number or WhatsApp number right now. So, and I don't want to invite my friends. Keep your page notification on so that you get notification in your profile. So our page is created. Now you can take a tool, but right now I don't want to take a tool. So this is the dashboard of the page. We can edit everything from here. We can change cover photo, profile picture, as well as we can visit a professional dashboard and insights as how many visitors, followers, clicks we can see from the insights. And from the settings, we can change name or privacy or other settings we can change. We can uh, see the block list here and what is the activity of our pages. We can change page roles or everything. Go to page details and see that it's linked to our about page, and from there we can change our address, our phone number. We can change the category we selected previously. We can input website, social links, add our language and everything from there. We can input our family members from there. So in our next video, I will show how to optimize the Facebook